Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Slack to Notion. Want to boost your workflow? Connecting Slack to Notion allows you to send updates, log messages, and manage tasks without switching between tools. It's perfect for teams that use Notion as their workspace and Slack for communication. Now let's connect the two. The first step is to use a third-party tool like Zapier or Automate.io. Notion and Slack don't have a direct integration yet, so use tools like Zapier or Make.com to bridge them. The second step is to create an account on Zapier or make a new one. And to do that, you're gonna go to your web browser and then search for Zapier.com. Let's type in Zapier.com in the search bar. And let's search for it. Now, once the website appears, make sure you sign up for a free account. The third step is to set Slack as a trigger app. Choose Slack as your trigger, for example, trigger new message and channel. And the fourth step is to set Notion as the action app. Choose Notion as the action app. You may need to connect your Notion account and choose what should happen, whether creating a page, add a row, or update content, etc. And for the fifth step is to test and activate. Run a test, then click on Turn on Zap to activate the automation. And that's it. You've connected Slack to Notion using a third-party automation tool. This integration will streamline your team's productivity and keep your communication and documentation in sync. Remember to use filters to only log important messages like ones with keywords or mentions. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.